6 years on, the China Proposed Belt and Road Initiative, or BRI, has delivered tangible benefits to all participating countries and regions. Its core concepts have been written into documents of the United Nations, G20, and APEC. By the end of March 2019, China has signed 173 BRI cooperation agreements with 125 countries and 29 international organizations. Countries jointly building the Belt and Road have extended from Asia and Europe to Africa, Latin America, and South Pacific. From 2013 to 2018, China's direct investment in areas along the Belt and Road surpassed $90 billion. The turnover of contracted projects topped $400 billion. China has signed agreements on industrial cooperation with more than 40 countries. From 2013 to 2018, the goods trade between China and countries along the Belt and Road totaled $6 trillion, and making up 27.4% of the total volume of China's goods in trade. In 2018, this number reached $1.3 trillion, up 16.4% year-on-year. The 82 overseas economic and trade cooperation zones China has built in 24 BRI countries had paid more than $2 billion in taxes to the host countries and created about 300,000 local jobs. By the end of 2018, the number of China-Europe freight trains surpassed 13,000, connecting 16 Eurasian countries in 108 cities, handling over 1.1 million TEUs. 6 major economic corridors connect the Asian Economic Circle with the European Economic Circle. China has signed agreements with 24 BRI countries on the mutual recognition of higher education degrees. In 2017, 38,700 students from other BRI countries studied in China on scholarships provided by the Chinese government. China has signed mutual visa exemption agreements for different types of passport with 57 BRI countries.